Hey guys, what's up? So today I have a super exciting unboxing. Okay, so here we've got a magnetic coil-on GTS. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into first turns. So it's a little gummed up with lube right now. So yeah, you guys, this is really cool. Like I said, it's a little gummed up with lube, so it's a little bit hard to feel the magnets, but I can feel them. I don't know if this is going to become my main. My current main is the GTS Air, and since I have a competition in about 2 days, I don't know if I want to switch, but I might, if I get some really good solves on this, I might switch before the competition, but I don't know if I want to switch that soon, so I will only have 2 days to really get used to how this cube turns. If you want to make your own magnetic cubes, then go ahead and check out DM Cubing's channel.